Hey guys, welcome back to JS Detailing. We have finished up this COPO Camaro. So obviously this isn't your typical Camaro SS body, so there's a little bit of customization we had to do on a few of the panels, mainly the hood. So obviously you have this giant hood to clear that giant 632 big block inside, and it was quite the task to get it in one piece. Not that he's going to be losing any races or be behind anyone in this car, but we still did full protection on the whole front end. To help hide any cut lines, we removed the COPO badges on the front fenders, as well as these Chevy Performance decals on the rear quarters. Because this is a full race car, it doesn't have the mirrors or antennas, so we had to customize the doors and the roof with those little plates and cut those out as well. Then bringing it on around to the rear, obviously this is a full-blown race car, come with a parachute, so we had to do a custom bumper piece to cut out around that as well. Well, that's a wrap on the exterior of this car. Now I'll hand it over to Logan from Freedom Tint, and he can talk about what he did on the inside.
Oh, hey, what's up guys? I'm Logan at Freedom Tint. I'm gonna show you what I did to the sweet COPO. So this customer requested 20% standard carbon window film on the sides and rear of this COPO. He also requested a lime green metallic wrap on his roll cage, and the guys over at JS Detailing, they also PPF'd over it to protect it from getting in and out of the car. So that concludes the work that we did on this 2023 COPO Camaro. If you like what you saw, drop a like, leave a comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more.